Hey everyone, a very warm welcome to Fun Learn with Dipti. Today we will learn about identities and this is for class 8. So the first question arises in our mind that what is an identity? Well, an identity is an equality true for each and every value of variables in it. Now what does it exactly means? Now we will try to understand this through an example. Let us take one equation, a square plus 3a plus 2 is equals to 132. Now this equation is true for a equals to 10. That means when we put a equals to 10, then LHS will be equals to RHS. But it is not true for a is equals to 0 or a equals to 5. When we will put the value of a equals to 0 or a equals to 5, then LHS will not be equals to RHS. So it is an equation. It is true for only a equals to 10. But in case of identity, it is true for each and every value of its variable. Now we will learn some standard identities. The first identity is a plus b whole square. And this is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. These identities are obtained by multiplying a binomial by another binomial. Now let us consider the product of a plus b and a plus b. We already know how to multiply a binomial with another binomial. Let's do it. So this will be equals to a plus b and plus b again a plus b. Okay, now this will be equals to a multiplied with this a square plus a into b ab plus b into a ba or ab we can write, and b into b is b square. So finally you will get a square plus ab is 2ab plus b square. So if we multiply these two, we'll get the product this. So this is our first identity that you have to remember. Now the next identity is identity number 2, a minus b whole square. So this is similar to this identity, only the difference is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this one is your first one and this is your second identity. Now let's multiply it. A minus b multiplied by a minus b. This will be equals to a minus b minus b, a minus b. We are just multiplying both of the binomials. So this will be equals to a square minus ab minus ba plus b square. And this will be equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So by multiplying these two binomial, we can get this, and this is our second identity. A plus b multiplied by a minus b. So this is equals to a square minus b square. This is our third identity. So let's do it. A minus b plus b, a minus b. which is equals to a square minus ab plus ba minus b square. Now this minus ab and plus ab will cancel out and you will get a square minus b square. These are the three very important standard identities that you need to learn. One more identity is there, identity number 4, which is also very important. X plus a multiplied by x plus b, and this will be equals to x square plus a plus b, and here x plus ab. Now let's find the product of these two. X plus b plus a, x plus b, and you will get x square plus xb plus ax plus ab, and this will be equals to x square plus a plus b x plus ab. So these are the 4 identities that you need to remember. Okay, we will now discuss how to apply the identity. 2x plus 3y whole square. So there are 2 methods by which we can solve it. There is a direct method and the identity method. Let's solve it by both of these ways. Let us first try to solve it by direct method, that is 2x plus 3y multiplied by 2x plus 3y, and this will be equals to 2x multiplied by 2x plus 3y plus 3y multiplied by 2x plus 3y. When we will multiply 2x with 2x, you will get 4x square plus 2x multiplied by 3y will get 6xy plus 6xy plus 3 3s are 9, and y multiplied by y is y square. So this will be equals to 4x square plus 12xy plus 9y square. Now we will try to solve it by identity method. So 2x plus 3y whole square, and this is equals to what? This is in the form of a plus b whole square. Here a is 2x and b is 3y. So we'll directly get what? 2x whole square plus 2 into a into b. What is a here? 2x. So I'll write here 2x multiplied by b, and b here is 3y. So 3y plus b square, and b square is 3y square. Okay, now what we are going to get? 4x square plus 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12. 12xy plus 3 3s are 9, and y multiplied by y is y square. So now you can see the difference. If we'll go with this direct method, many steps are there in it, but when we will solve using our identity method, only 2 steps are there. So it requires only few steps to solve by identity method, and that's why we need to remember these identities and try to solve by these. Now we will solve exercise 9.5. The first question is, use a suitable identity to get each of the following product. That means you have to use identity to find the products. Okay, so here are the 3 identities that we are going to use in this question. The first identity is a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. The second one is a minus b whole square and it is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. And the third identity is a plus b, a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. So the first question here is x plus 3 multiplied by x plus 3. Now we can write this as x plus 3 whole square, right? Can you tell me which identity we are going to use it here? Correct, it is in the form of a plus b whole square, and which is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. We can write it as x square plus 2 into a is what? X, b is 3 plus b square, and b square will be 3 square. We are using this identity. So this is equals to x square plus 6x plus 3 3s are 9. So this is our answer. Now our next question is 2y plus 5 multiplied by 2y plus 5. Now we can write it as 2y plus 5 whole square. Before solving the question, you just have to write the identity which you are going to use it here. So it is identity 1, a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. 2y plus 5 whole square, this will be equals to 2y whole square plus 2 into a here is 2y and b here is 5. So 2 into a into b is 5, so write here 5 plus b square, and b here is 5, so 5 square. Okay, and this will be equals to 4y square plus 2 2s are 4 5s are 20. 20y plus 5 5s are 25. So this is your answer. Our third question is 2a minus 7 multiplied by 2a minus 7. Now can you tell me which identity we are going to use it here? The second one, right? Why? Because we can write it as 2a minus 7 whole square. Now you can see it is similar to this one. It is in the form of a minus b whole square. So we can write it as a square minus 2ab plus b square. So first you need to write the identity over here in the box. Write a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, 2a minus 7 whole square, it will be equals to a square, and a square is 2a, so 2a whole square minus 2 multiplied by a is 2a here, so 2a multiplied by b, and b here is 7, so I'll write 7 plus b square, so b here is 7, so 7 square. Now solve it. 2 2s are 4, a square minus 2 2s are 4, 4 7s are 28. 28a plus 7 7s are 49. So this is your answer. Now coming to the next question, question number 4. It is 3a minus 1 upon 2 multiplied by 3a minus 1 upon 2. So now we can write this as Tell me what we can write. We can write it as 3a minus 1 upon 2 whole square. So now can you tell me which identity we will use here? This one, the second one. So we will write the identity first. That means we will write a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this will be 3 minus 1 upon 2 whole square, and this is equals to a square. A here is 3a. So 3a square minus 2 multiplied by a. A here is 3a, the first one. 3a multiplied by b. So b here is 1 upon 2 plus b square. So b here is 1 upon 2. We'll write 1 upon 2 square. So this will be equals to 3 into 3 is 9. 9a square. Now this 2 and this 2 will cancel out, and this will be minus 3a plus 1 upon 2 whole square will be equals to 1 upon 4. So this is your answer. Question number 5 is 1.1 m minus 0.4 multiplied by 1.1 m plus 0.4. Can you tell me which identity we are going to use it here? Identity number 3. It is in the form of a plus b multiplied by a minus b, or we can say a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So this is equals to a square minus b square. We will write the formula over here. This is the identity a plus b multiplied by a minus b, and this is equals to a square minus b square. So we can write 1.1 m minus 0.4 multiplied by 1.1 m plus 0.4. This is equals to a square. Now a here is 1.1 m and b here is 0.4. So a square will be 1.1 m square minus b square means 0.4 over here, this square. Now you have to multiply 1.1 with 1.1, you will get 121. After decimal there is one digit over here and one more digit over here, that means 2 digits, so point will be here. So this will be equals to 121, and we have to put the point over here. So 1.21, and m multiplied by m will be equals to m square minus 0.4 square. We know 4 multiplied by 4 is equals to 16. But 0.4 multiplied by 0.4, where we have to put the point? After point, how many digits are there? 1 and one more. So we have to put point here, 0.16. Okay, this is your answer. Now our next question is a square plus b square multiplied by minus a square plus b square. Can you tell me which identity we are going to use here? It's a bit difficult. Now see, we can write this as b square plus a square and this as b square minus a square. We have not changed anything. We have just switched the places. Now can you tell me which identity we are going to use? This one, because here plus sign is there and here minus sign. So we can write it as b square whole square minus a square whole square, and this will be equals to b to the power 4 minus a to the power 4. This is our answer. Now question number 7. 6x plus 7 multiplied by 6x minus 7. Now can you tell me which identity we are going to use? The third one. Why? Because here the plus sign is there and here minus sign. So we are going to use this one. It is in the form of a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So this one is a and this one is b. We'll write the formula, that is a square. A square is 6x whole square minus b square, and b square is 7 square. So this will be equals to 6 6 are 36, x square minus 7 7s are 49. So this is your answer. Now question number 8 is minus a plus c multiplied by minus a plus c. So now this is a bit different, but when we just change the position, that means we write first c and then a. Now you can easily tell which identity we are going to use here. This is second identity, so we'll use it. So this is c square minus 2 into c into a plus a square. So this will be equals to c square minus 2ca plus a square. This is your answer. So our next question, question number 9, x upon 2 plus 3y upon 4 multiplied by x upon 2 plus 3y upon 4. So this is clearly the first identity, that is a plus b whole square, that is x upon 2 whole square plus 2 into a here is x upon 2, so x upon 2 into b here is 3y upon 4 plus b square, b here is 3y upon 4 and square of it. So we'll get x square upon 2 2s are 4 plus we can cancel out these two. So we'll get 3xy upon 4 plus 3 3s are 9, y square upon 4 4s are 16. So this is your answer. Now question number 10 is 7a minus 9b multiplied by 7a minus 9b. Now we can write this as 7a minus 9b whole square, and this is in the form of the second identity. So we can write this as 7a square minus 2 into a into b, that means a here is 7a and b here is 9b. So 2 into 7a multiplied by 9b plus 9b whole square. Now this is equals to 7 7s are 49 a square minus 2 7s are 14, 14 9s are 126 ab plus 9 9s are 81 b square. We will solve rest of the question in our next video. So keep watching my video. If you like the video, share it with your friend and hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.